Mexico worm on here. Give it for the goat minnow. So far it's a little too hot. Jumping, but nothing taken. Now there's fish that jumping. What? We can edit that out. So the first night we decided to do some bass fishing. We had some worms and some goat minnows. The fish were biting, jumping all around in this little area. Wasn't hitting, so we went to our old location where we catfish, and we had some live bait, and we had some good luck at that location, and David caught a little catfish. Oh, what'd you get? Yeah, little catfish. Way to go, David. Since we just had live worms, you know, the night crawlers, we caught this little guy. It was a keeper, but we decided not to keep him, so we threw him back. Alright guys, we're back in action. Catfish. We got 2 poles. Danny's stink bait, because yesterday we didn't bring it out, but we caught catfish off worms, and I know this spot is hitting. They're already like moving around. So, stay tuned. First one caught. Got a little channel. He's a keeper. David got him another one. What we got? Oh, he's a good one. David. It does look like a blue, doesn't it? Alright, blue catfish. Heck yeah, baby. Those are good tasting meat. White meat, people. That was off of Danny's, right? Alright. Alright, guys. Got me a little channel. Oh, another one on my other hook. Oh, hang on. Oh, he got off and got my bait. In the basket. That's 3. Finally got one. So we lost. We have a fish basket. We lost our blue cat that we got. No basket no more. We're going to put him in our well. A live well, okay? Yeah, no more. I love blue cat. Blue cat. Very good meat. So we're going to put him in a live well. Woo-wee! We got the blue that escaped!
Wait. I'll know if it is. You can tell if it's out there.
You don't think so? Alright. I think it is. You can't resist this.
No, it's flip 8-4.
Alright, so new blue. Alright. So we know we have the blues around here. Oh, yeah. Got a bite on this one.
Where is our flag?
Are they in here? I haven't touched it. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 1
worms and 2 off of Danny's. Come on, bite me. Come on, bite it. One off. Well, no, the first one. Yours.
I didn't get it.
Well, okay, fine. Could have been 2. Yes, he's little. I don't think I got him. I don't think I got him. No, that's my bait. Well, guys, we are going to go bank fish because it's getting dark. We sit over there. My mother-in-law and Luke are over there, so I'll see you there. And there's David honking at him. Are you done? Let me see here, babe. What you get? Ooh, that's a good size one.
Looks like cat.
It's late and we don't want to skin fish, and I thought David was outside, coming back in, and this is what he's done to my sink. So, here's the fish we caught. Remember, we had 1 get away, so we had a total of 4. Would have had 5. So, if you got more videos like this, please like and subscribe. We do anything from fishing, we do hunting. Dusty lives around the corner, so again, like and subscribe for more content.